Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the future with 15 groundbreaking architectural concepts that are set to change the world as we know it. From futuristic cities to innovative structures, these designs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We'll be exploring concepts that challenge conventional notions of space, sustainability, and aesthetics. These visionary projects hold the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. Join us as we delve into the intricate details of these architectural marvels.
Chapter 1. NEOM the Line, a City Reimagined. Our first stop takes us to the deserts of Saudi Arabia, where a city unlike any other is taking shape. Imagine a continuous structure stretching for 105 miles, a ribbon of urban life slicing through the desert. The line is not just a feat of engineering, it's a bold statement about sustainability and livability. This linear city is designed to minimize its environmental impact, powered by renewable energy and incorporating nature seamlessly into its fabric. It asks, can we create cities that are both technologically advanced and deeply connected to nature? The line suggests that we can.
Chapter 2. Shimao Center, Shenzhen, a vertical oasis. Our journey now takes us to the bustling metropolis of Shenzhen, China, where the Shimao Center pierces the sky. This skyscraper is not just about reaching new heights, it's about creating a vertical oasis within a dense urban environment. Imagine a building that seamlessly blends cutting-edge design with lush green spaces, a vertical garden city where residents can work, live, and connect with nature. The Shimao Center embodies this vision with its cascading terraces, sky gardens, and innovative use of vertical space.
Chapter 3. City on Mars. A new frontier in architecture. From the towering heights of Earth, we now venture into the vast expanse of space, to the enigmatic red planet, Mars. Here, amidst the rust-colored dust and ancient craters, a new chapter in human history is being written: the establishment of a permanent human presence on another planet. Imagine structures that can withstand the harsh Martian climate, with its thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and intense radiation. These habitats will need to be self-sufficient, recycling resources and producing food, water, and oxygen, creating a closed-loop ecosystem in this alien world.
Chapter 4. Dubai Healthcare City, where wellness meets urban living. Our journey now brings us back to Earth, to the vibrant city of Dubai, where innovation knows no bounds. Here, amidst the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, a new concept in urban living is taking shape: Dubai Healthcare City. This ambitious project is creating a hub for medical tourism, research, and education, attracting the best minds in healthcare from around the globe. Dubai Healthcare City, with its focus on sustainability, accessibility, and community, offers a glimpse into a future where cities are designed not just for efficiency, but for the well-being of their inhabitants.
Chapter 5. Liam Young's Planet City, a vision for a sustainable future. From the tangible to the conceptual, we now turn our attention to the work of Liam Young, an architect and filmmaker known for his thought-provoking visions of the future. His project, Planet City, challenges us to imagine a world where 10 billion people can live sustainably within a single, interconnected city. This self-sustaining city would be powered by renewable energy, with food production integrated into its very fabric. Planet City, though a conceptual project, serves as a powerful reminder that the future of architecture lies in our ability to think beyond conventional boundaries and design for a world where human needs and environmental sustainability are no longer in conflict.
Chapter 6. Concert Hall in Russia, a symphony in architecture and sound. Our journey now takes us to Russia, a land of vast landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Here, amidst the country's natural splendor, a new concert hall is set to rise, a testament to the power of architecture to elevate and inspire. This concert hall, with its flowing lines and organic curves, promises to be more than just a venue for music. It will be a work of art in itself. This concert hall is being designed with acoustics in mind, every curve and angle meticulously crafted to create an unparalleled auditory experience.
Chapter 7. Doha Aquatar, Qatar, a city on the water's edge. From the soaring heights of mountains to the edge of the sea, Our architectural adventure now takes us to Qatar, a nation renowned for its ambition and innovation. Here, a vision of a futuristic aquatic city is taking shape, Doha Aquatar. This ambitious project envisions floating residential complexes, underwater hotels, and marine research centers, all connected by a network of water taxis and futuristic transportation systems. Doha Aquatar, with its innovative approach to sustainable design and its harmonious integration with the marine environment, offers a glimpse into a future where cities exist in symbiosis with the sea.
Haitang Shopping Complex, where retail meets entertainment. In Hainan Island, the Haitang Bay Shopping Complex redefines retail and entertainment. It's a destination where commerce and leisure collide. Traditional Chinese design blends with modern elements. This complex caters to the evolving needs of consumers.
Chapter 9. The Mukaab, a cube of possibilities. Our architectural adventure now takes us back to Saudi Arabia, where a new landmark is set to grace the Riyadh skyline, the Mukaab. This cubical structure, a marvel of engineering and design, promises to be a destination unlike any other, a place where innovation and imagination converge. The Mukaab's exterior will be a spectacle in itself, a giant digital canvas that can transform and adapt to create mesmerizing light shows and immersive visual experiences. Inside, visitors will find themselves transported to different worlds, from lush gardens and cascading waterfalls to futuristic entertainment zones and cutting-edge technology hubs.
From the cubical confines of the Mukaab, we journey to a new stadium in Saudi Arabia, redefining the Spectator experience. Architecture and technology converge here, offering unparalleled views of the city, a showcase for cutting-edge technology and personalized fan experiences.
Our architectural exploration takes us to regions facing relentless forces of nature, where sandstorms pose significant challenges. Architects and engineers are rising to the occasion, developing solutions that harness the power of the elements. Imagine buildings that can breathe, their facades filtering out dust and sand. We'll delve into architecture adapting to climate change.
From the windswept deserts to the soaring peaks of mountains, our journey now takes us to Trojena, a visionary mountain resort in Saudi Arabia. It seamlessly blends with its environment, offering a balance between comfort and ecological responsibility. This resort represents a new breed of luxury travel.
Our exploration of architectural innovation leads us to HASSELL EOC, two leading firms in urban planning and architecture. They create sustainable and livable cities designed with people at their heart, where green spaces are integral. We'll delve into their projects from urban renewal to green transportation. HASSELL EOC offer a hopeful vision of the future.
From the streets of our cities, we now embark on a journey into the future of transportation, a future where distance is no longer a barrier. The Hyperloop, a revolutionary mode of transportation, promises to connect cities in ways we can only imagine, reshaping the urban landscape as we know it. Imagine traveling at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour, gliding silently through tubes that connect major cities in a matter of minutes. The Hyperloop is not just about speed, it's about sustainability, efficiency, and connectivity. The Hyperloop, with its potential to shrink distances and reshape our relationship with time and space, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of transportation.
Our journey culminates in Harbin, China, where winter transforms the landscape into a wonderland. On the banks of the Songhua River lies Harbin Culture Island, a testament to the beauty of ice architecture. Imagine a city sculpted from ice, a breathtaking display of intricate carvings and shimmering sculptures, all illuminated by a kaleidoscope of colors.
As we conclude our journey through the world of architectural innovation, we are left with a sense of awe and inspiration. From the towering skyscrapers of megacities to the sustainable solutions for a changing climate, these concepts represent the boundless creativity and ingenuity of the human spirit. The future of architecture is not just about designing buildings, it's about shaping the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. As we move forward, let us embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible in the built environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on the future of architecture.